Good afternoon, how are you today? My name is Carl, and I would like to show you this 2024 Ford F-750 dump truck. This is a really neat truck. This chassis only has 202 miles on it, completely unused, unserviced. We installed a new 10-foot Twonky Hollow Mason dump on it. This dump has 30-inch high sides. It has a dump-through gate and a coal chute on the back. This chassis is a 25,999 GVW, so it's under CDL. 21,000-pound rear axle, 12,000-pound front axle. This is a 7.3-liter Ford V8 mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission. The truck was built with a tow package, has a full 1/2-inch Pintle plate, D-rings, 7-way pin connector ready for your hitch. Truck was built with a trailer brake controller as well. There's the coal chute on the dump gate. 22.5-inch tires, wheels and tires. Underbody toolbox. This truck is technically used. It was titled, but as it only has 200 miles on it and it's a 2024, it still has the balance of the original 3-year warranty on bumper to bumper and 5-year 60 on the powertrain. Come on inside and I'll show you some features in there. Hi, welcome back. So we're in here in the cab. We do have 3-person seating, or you can fold the seat down for the armrest, the cup holder. Truck is fully equipped. Power steering, brakes, and air conditioning, power windows, door locks, cruise control, Bluetooth radio. The truck, it was equipped with the PTO and a trailer brake controller. You have hands-free controls on the steering wheel. And again, as I said, you still have the balance of the factory warranty left on this. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to help you. My name is Carl. My number is 215-828-1572. Thanks so much. Have a great day.